A very good morning to all of you. Here in another video, we are going to discuss some new topic for today. Till now, parts of speech have been studied and we have studied the following components in it. We have studied a noun, we have studied pronoun, we have studied articles, we have studied adjectives, we have studied prepositions, we have studied conjunctions and so on. In this video, we are going to describe a new topic that we have started in the beginning, but due to lack of time, we're not able to elaborate the chapter. So I'm going to tell you about adverbs, alright? So let us gradually move towards adverbs. So first of all, if you people remember, what are adjectives? Anybody amongst you? Adjectives are the describing words, okay? So what are adjectives? The describing words are called adjectives. And what do they describe? Adjectives can describe either a noun or a pronoun. Example, it can describe a noun or a pronoun. We will give you some examples to understand. Don't worry. So adjectives are the words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, my teacher is intelligent. In this sentence, my teacher is the noun and the word which is describing your teacher is intelligent. So this will be called as adjective. Similarly, if you take another example for where we have pronoun, for example, he is a tough boy. So now you see here the pronoun he has been used and the word tough is describing the pronoun he. So this is going to be your adjective, whereas he is going to be your pronoun. So adjectives are the describing words for noun or pronoun. Now let us see another example. One more example in which we have she dances, okay, beautifully. So how many of you will know how to dance? I think everybody knows it. Anyway, she dances beautifully. So now in this, the pronoun is she, whereas dances is a verb, right? What's dances? It's a verb. And being more precise, it is an action verb, right? So dances is the action verb, whereas she is a pronoun, right? Now you see here, beautifully. You will say it's an adjective. It is an adjective. But let us see what it is describing. The word beautifully is it describing the pronoun? No, it is describing the action verb. She is beautiful can be describing for she. But she dances beautifully. So what she does? Dances beautifully. So this beautifully is describing an action verb. Okay. So the words which describe an action verb are called as adverbs. What are they called? They are called as adverbs. Okay. So yes, adverbs are type of adjectives only, but they describe verbs. Adjective, they describe noun and a pronoun, whereas adverbs are going to describe your verb. Okay. So the adverb means, if you want to write the definition for adverbs, adverbs are the words which are used to describe the verbs. Now we will move towards the types of adverbs. Like when we were studying noun, there were types of nouns. For example, proper noun and common noun. When we were studying preposition, there were two types of preposition. Preposition of place and preposition of time. Now when we start with the adverbs, we have 5 differentiations. Alright, in your book we have 5 differentiations. So the types of adverbs. The first one is adverb of time. Okay, the first one is, I'm going to write ADV for adverb of time. For example, if I say it was raining yesterday. What did I say? It was raining yesterday. So raining is the action verb. And when did it rain? It rained yesterday. So you see here, adverb of time means when the thing is happening. Okay, it is asking you about the time, like it happened before, is it happening now, is it going to happen in the future. So when you want to know about adverb of time, you are going to ask when the adverb is happening. Okay, so we ask when. So in a sentence, if you want to know what is the adjective, and so you are going to ask when is the thing happening, like when is it raining? Yesterday. Okay, another example can be, I got masala Maggi today. Okay, yes, so last thing, I got masala Maggi today. So when did I get the masala Maggi? Today. So what's the adverb in this? Today. So in this adverb of time, we are going to ask when the event is happening. Okay. Number 2 is adverb of time. हो गया. Next is adverb of place. Okay. Number 2 is adverb of place. So that means when the thing is happening, I mean where the thing is happening. So if you want to know that what is the adverb of place, we will see that is when the thing is happening. Okay. So if you want to know the adverb of place, you will say where, not when. You will say where the verb is happening. Verb किधर हो रहा है. Okay. For example, I found a pen here. Okay, so if I say I found a pen here, so where have I found the pen? Here. So in this, found is the action verb, and where have I found it? I have found it here. So here will be your adverb of place. Okay. Another example can be, we will go out anywhere. So we will go out anywhere. So what is the action verb in this? Go is the action verb in this. And where will we go? Where? Anywhere. So anywhere is going to be your adverb of place. So if you want to know that what is the adverb of place, you are simply going to ask from the statement where is it happening. Okay, like if you want to say here, where, there, anywhere, and these are the adverbs of places. Okay, next is adverb of degree. Let's just replace it with adverb of degree. I know it might be confusing for most of you, but you can try it. You can try to learn. Okay. So you see here, adverb of degree will tell you till what extent that adverb is. For example, let's see with an example. Okay. So example can be she fought very bravely. In this sentence, you see that she is pronoun, so it is not being discussed here. Fought is an action verb. Okay, fought is the action verb, What is the adverb for action verb? Bravely, right? But now this very, or you can replace it with less. Okay, less bravely. Okay, so when you are talking about till what extent the verb is happening, मतलब verb किस intensity से कहा गया है. Like अभी यहाँ पे verb क्या हुआ? Very bravely, है ना. Adverb जो है बहुत bravely किया उसमें fight. अगर मैं यहाँ पे less कर देती, it would have been less bravely, कम bravely fight किया. So it is telling about कम ज़्यादा, कि बहुत ज़्यादा intensity क्या है, what's the intensity with which the adverb is happening, ठीक. So that is called adverb of degree, and it is going to tell you till how much extent the adverb is happening. For example, यहाँ पे bravely is the adverb. Just before that we have placed very. Okay, so जैसे कि she sings beautifully. Normal sentence with beautifully as adverb. She sings very beautifully. Okay, that means you are emphasizing on very, मतलब बहुत सुंदर गाती है. तो very is telling the extent. वो क्या बता रहा है? वो आपकी डिग्री बता रहा है, लेवल बता रहा है कि कितना अच्छा गाती है. very अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so that very will be your adjective of degree. It is going to tell you फिर how much, इसका extent क्या है, how much beautifully that girl is singing, और how much bravely that girl fought. Okay, fought मतलब लड़ना, ठीक. So this is telling the degree, adjective of degree. Now number 3 is adjective of adverb of manner. Okay, manner, that means it is going to tell you how an action have been done. Okay, how you are going to do it. For example, adverb of manner, if you talk about, it will tell you how some action has been done. कोई भी action कैसे हुआ है. Okay, for example, Ryan writes. Okay, clearly. Now you see here, Ryan writes clearly. So Ryan is not clear, so ये adjective नहीं है. Writes clearly, yeah. So write is the action verb. And in what way? किस तरीके से? How is Ryan writing? Clearly, he is writing clearly. So clearly is the adverb. That means it is telling you how an action has been done. Verb कैसे हुआ है? It is going to tell you that. So clearly is the adjective of manner. It will tell you how the work has been done. Okay, and then we have the last but not the least, adjective of frequency. Okay, just give me a moment. So you see here, adjective of frequency, adverb of frequency. So what is the adverb of frequency? Frequency comes from frequently. That means कोई भी काम कितना जल्दी या कितना लेट हो रहा है. So that is going to be your adverb of frequency. That means कोई भी verb, whatever verb, if it is happening on a regular basis, or if it is happening like within a short period of time, so it is going to tell you how frequently, कितना जल्दी जल्दी वो काम हो रहा है. So see here, the newspaper boy delivers newspaper daily. Okay, so here the action verb is delivers. Delivers मतलब देना, डिलीवरी करना. ओके, सो डिलीवर्स इज द एक्शन वर्ब. एंड हाउ फ्रीक्वेंटली, कितना जल्दी जल्दी डिलीवरी हो रही है, हर दिन, राइट, डेली, इट इज हैपनिंग डेली. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. ऑलराइट, सो डेली इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. सिमिलरली कभी ये भी हो सकता है कि लाइक वेरी लेस. ओके, he visits us very less. Okay, so visits is your action verb, very less is your adverb of frequency. That means how frequently it is happening, कितना जल्दी जल्दी कोई भी काम हो रहा है. So we are summarizing the whole topic as adverbs are the describing words for verbs. That means the verbs which describe the verbs are called adverbs. We have different types of adverbs. There are 5 types: adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of frequency. That is all for today's video. Enclosing a PDF along with. Please do it in your English language fair copy. Bye bye. Take care.